I think that my experience with athletics has had the most impact on me. I play 3 sports, and each sport is so different, and we're all our own little family, and I've really learned some qualities that I can take with me to college and throughout my life.
My transition from the athletics to the fine arts has had the most impact on me. I used to be a core member of the school's cross-country team, but my junior year, I ended up switching to the school play and had a really major role in that. Before joining theater, I knew none of them at all, and afterwards, I was part of the family.
I think the academics has had the most impact on me because my teachers have really pushed me to do my best and take challenging courses, but they're also my greatest supporters.
I think one of the best things for my development just at Randolph has been the willingness of teachers and coaches and directors to all work together so I can really do a lot of stuff. Like, I'm able to be in the play, I'm able to be in band, and I'm able to do well in my classes all at the same time.
Probably the student life, because when I first came I had no friends, and now even throughout high school I've had the same friends, and it's been amazing.